reception, welcome back to another week of Set 1 Phonics. Okay, let's start off with those speed sounds. Are you ready? A, S, D, I, P, T. Well done. Let's do another one nice and quick. Ready? A, S, D, I, P, T. Fantastic reception. Give yourself a pat on the back. That's a lot of sounds that we have learned already, and we've got another new sound to do today. Let's find out what it is. Repeat after me. G, 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 G. Well done. And today we've got a picture of a G, 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 girl. Can you say G, 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 girl? Girl, girl. Well done. And she's got some glasses on her head, and she's got this lovely long plait which will help us when we get to our writing part. Let's practice our flip game then. If I show you this side, you're going to say G. If I show you this side, you're going to say girl. Are you ready? I'm going to see if I can catch you out today. All right, well done. Now, I wonder, can you think of any words that begin with a G sound? I already told you one. Can you remember what it was? It was what the girl had on her head. She was wearing some glasses. Can you say glasses? Well done. I've got two other pictures, and again, one of them was the picture on the back, and we had a picture of a girl. Can you say girl? Well done. And my last picture today is of an animal, and this animal is a goat. Can you say goat? Well done. Let's just practice all of those words together then. So copy me. Girl, goat, glasses. Fantastic. Well done, reception. Okay, we're going to move on to our writing now, and I can't find where I've put my pen. There it is. Okay, so let's just have a look at the back then, our girl picture. And have a listen and watch me with my magic finger. Are you ready? Up we go, round her face, down her hair, give her a curl. Should we try that again? Can you use your magic finger too? Up we go, round her face, down her hair, and give her a curl. She's got this lovely long plait that curls at the bottom with the ribbon, so we need to remember to do the curly bit. Okay, I'm going to write it down now. Listen again to the rhyme and watch my pen. Up we go, round her face, down her hair, give her a curl. Let's do it again. Up we go, round her face, down her hair, give her a curl. Okay, can you say the rhyme on your own now? Fantastic. Pause the video here and have a go at doing your G on your own at home. Okay, we're going to move on to our green words now. So we're going to practice our reading. So remember, I'm going to show you the green words, and we're going to practice using our thread fingers. Then we're going to have a go at nodding it in our heads, and then we'll say the words at speed. We only have two words today that have our G sound in, so I've chosen another one from last week just to practice. Okay, let's try this first one together then. Watch me first and I'll show you how to do it. G, A, P. Can you try it with me? G, A, P. Gap. Fantastic. Let's try another one. Watch me. D, I, g. Can you do it with me this time? D, I, g. I wonder what that word is. Listen again. D, I, g. Should we do it one more time together? D, I, g. Dig. Fantastic. Okay, one more. This has got our sounds from last week, so no g. Let's do this one together because we should know this one. T, I, p. Tip. Fantastic. Okay. Are you ready to nod in your heads this time? Are you ready? Gap. Dig. Tip. Well done. Okay, let's do our speed sounds now. So I'll hold up the green card. You're going to thread it in your head. And when I push it forward, you've got to say the word. Are you ready? Tip. Gap. Dig. Fantastic. Let's see if we can do it even quicker. So you've got to do quick thread in your head. Ready? Gap. Tip. Dig. Well done, reception. Give yourselves a pat on the back. That is really hard work, but you're working super hard. Well done. Okay, we're going to move on to our red words now. And last week we learnt 2 red words, and we're going to see if you can remember them. I will show you first, so listen carefully. I, the. It's your turn. Can you have a go at doing the red words? Ready? I, the. Well done. Okay, just a quick practice. We're going to pop our red words up there, and I want you to point to I. Which one says I? You can pause the video if you need more time. Point to I. Did you find it? Let's have a look which one it is. It's this one here, isn't it? Because it's got our I, just one letter. Okay, this time then, can you point to the? Which one says the? Again, you can pause the video if you need more time. Which one says the? Did you find it? It's this one. It's got a T-H-E for the. Now remember, I'm saying letter names because we can't thread a red. Okay, we've got 2 new red words that we're going to learn. So I'll pop those ones away. I'm going to show you the first one. Are you ready? Listening. You. Yeah. Ooh. You. That's a funny sound. It's a tricky letter, that's why. Can you say ooh? You. You. Well done. So we've got you. And our next one, of. 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 That doesn't look like a v sound. That's because it's another tricky letter. See, can you see that we can't sound them out? It's not of. The word is of. Can you say it with me? Of. Of. Well done. Okay, we're going to practice doing you and of one more time. I'm going to take them out here. I'm going to hold one up and I want you to shout out which red word it is. Are you ready? I'll help you the first time. Of. This time we're going to do something more challenging. I'm going to put our new red words in with our I and the, and let's see if you can remember them. I'll do it first with you, and then you can have a go on your own. Are you ready? Of. Ooh. Oh dear, my cards are running away from me. Let's try that again. Of. I. You. The. On your own this time, I'm not going to help you. Fantastic, well done reception. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. You've worked really hard today as always, and I'll see you again tomorrow.